Okay everyone, after a long update, I'm going to give you a brief intro to how this system has been performing over the last 2 years. We've just switched off this system yesterday because now it's full summer, so there was really no need to continue running it. Lettuce doesn't grow very well in summer. I wanted to show you here the Kratky method that we're trying out. So we've got a 50-liter barrel of water, and in it we planted about 3 or 4 basil plants. Basically, you can see the roots, they're loving it. So this is a very simple system. There's just nutrients with water. The concept is you fill it up one time to the top, plant the seedlings, and as they grow, they use the water. Once the water is finished, the plants are ready to harvest. You can already start harvesting them basically and picking leaves as it goes, but basically it's like a one-time thing. You can't refill it. Here we have some slightly sad looking lettuce. They're probably way past their due date already because it's just too hot, but we're keeping them for seed. So we're trying to see whether or not we can actually get some seeds and reharvest it. You see here there's a whole bunch which are coming, so the idea is just to wait for them to dry and we should actually get some seeds which are usable. Across there we've got different types of lettuce, red and green basket, a few others, and down here we've got, let me see if I can zoom in, basil. So I'm just going to pause this video and go down and show you how that looks. Alright, so here's the pipe with larger sizes. So the concept here is that the basil plants have enough place to grow. This is, I think, 4 inches pipe, so we've got even 2 feed tubes here to ensure that if one gets clogged, the other one will still be able to give water throughout the day. We buried our tank in the ground, hoping that it would reduce the temperature a little bit. These pipes are about 6 meters length, and we've got about 400 to 500 plants that can be planted here. Right now we've only got a couple hundred. You can see these basil plants are loving it. They're loving the sun. They're very, very happy. You can see their root systems are developing nicely all through the bottom. And these things just keep on going. You can keep cutting them. Basically, the idea is that you look for a split. Say, for example, here. You could just chop them here and 2 would grow off, and you could just create very bushy plants, and they keep going for months. The only problem is that their root systems become very, very large and tend to clog the pipes. So periodically you may want to actually pull them out and even just trim the roots and put them back. But something like this requires bigger pipes, such as these. Here we've got some spinach, which is growing just fine also in the hydroponic system. So these are types of crops that will grow in full sun. It's hot here, 38 to 40 degrees Celsius. They grow fine. In the middle of the day they look a little bit droopy, but they pick right up, and in the early morning they look fresh again. So this type of thing you can do pretty much year round, whereas lettuce maybe about 7 to 8 months of the year. Alright guys, thanks for watching.